How to upload project on GitHub from VS Code without needing command lines. Today, I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide. This method is perfect if you want to publish your code straight from Visual Studio Code without touching the terminal. All you need is a GitHub account, VS Code installed, and your project ready to go. First, open your project folder in VS Code. If it's not yet linked to Git, go to the left sidebar and click on the source control icon. It looks like a small branch symbol. You'll see a message that says Initialize Repository. Click on that and VS Code will automatically turn your project folder into a Git repository. You'll notice all your files appear under Changes, meaning they're now ready to be tracked by Git. Next, you need to sign into your GitHub account from within VS Code. Click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and select Sign in to GitHub. A browser window will open, asking for permission. Just allow access and it will link your GitHub account with VS Code. Once connected, go back to your project and return to the Source Control tab. At the top, click on the three dots, then choose Publish to GitHub. VS Code will ask you to name your repository. This can match your project's name or be something else descriptive. You can also choose whether to make it public or private before hitting Publish. After publishing, VS Code automatically uploads all your files to GitHub. You'll see a confirmation at the bottom right corner, and your repository will be live on your GitHub profile. From here on, whenever you make changes to your project, you don't have to re-upload everything manually. Just go back to the Source Control tab, write a short message describing what you changed in the text box, click the checkmark icon to commit, and then click Sync Changes to push your updates to GitHub. If you ever need to double-check that your upload worked, click on the Open on GitHub option that appears after publishing. It will take you straight to your online repository where you'll see your files exactly as they appear in VS Code. And that's it. No command lines, no complicated setup. Just a few clicks and your project is live on GitHub directly from Visual Studio Code.